but do not know where to start from? Worry not. In this video by CollegeDekho Abroad, we will discuss what it takes to enroll in your favorite course abroad. Profile building is the process of making your candidature irresistible to foreign universities. As the admission committee of each university receives thousands of applications from talented students across the world, it is essential to build a strong profile that makes you stand out from the crowd. The admission committee wants to enroll all-rounders with unique skills and strong personalities. Hence, you must not only focus on your academics but also highlight your extracurriculars such as certifications, awards, projects, internships, etc. related to your course of study. Let us discuss how you can build an impressive profile. The initial step is to identify your strengths and figure out your USP or unique selling point. This can be anything from technical skills to social skills. Technical skills include IT skills, analytical skills, problem-solving skills, research skills, etc. Social skills include presentation skills, non-verbal communication skills, teamwork and leadership skills, etc. The next step is to nourish your strengths and build a strong CV around the same. You can undergo certifications or internships to work on projects that support your technical skills and social strengths. You may also consider working under a professor or getting a paper published under your name. The last step is to prepare and appear for the standardized qualifying tests and language proficiency exams. Qualifying exams include GRE or GMAT for master's admissions and SAT or ACT for bachelor's admissions abroad. Language tests accepted by foreign universities include IELTS Academic, TOEFL, PTE Academic, Duolingo English Test, etc. An early start shows better preparedness for overseas education. Bachelor aspirants are advised to start as early as 9th or 10th grade and latest by 11th grade. Master's aspirants must start in the first semester of their bachelor's degree. Besides the things we have discussed so far, the key components to a strong profile for a study abroad application include SOP, LORs, CV, student exchange program, and professional experience or achievements. We hope you found this video helpful. For details related to building your profile, you can visit the link given in the description box. For more queries, you can write to us at abroad@collegedekho.com.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.